How to turn off shuffle on Spotify. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of TechTube. Now for the people who don't have the premium version of Spotify, you cannot turn off shuffle within your mobile phone or the mobile app of Spotify. For that, you'll need to open up the desktop or your laptop and search for spotify.com and then log into your Spotify account. Once you are logged in, and when you play any song, on the bottom you can see this is the option of shuffle. You can just turn that off by clicking on it. So you can turn this off and on. If this is green, that means shuffle is on, and if this is white, that means shuffle is off. So for the people who do have the premium version, you can easily find this icon on your mobile app as well, from where you can turn on and turn off shuffle anytime you want. But for the people who don't have premium, you need to use it and turn off shuffle only within the website of Spotify. So that is the way that you can turn off shuffle on your Spotify account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily videos that we post. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.